All right, what's up guys? Super excited to review what I have in my hands right now. As you probably know, Justin Bieber came out with Skylrk recently. He's been dropping products intermittently over the last, I guess, few months. I've been waiting to be able to put my hands on some of these since they're not in any retail stores and they're online only. I think he's only done pop-ups in a few other countries, but none in the US. So finally got a pair. These are actually a gift. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know how much content is out on these already, but I'm gonna be looking at like the sizing and how they feel and all that type of stuff. Super excited. I know Justin Bieber's a big fashion guy. So here we are. We got this big ass box. Definitely way too big for what the product is, but still pretty cool. Adds to the experience. Got your typical size on the side here. The Skylrk branding in the front here, if you can see that. Skylrk branding on the top. Let's get into the product. So these are the rest slippers. Thank you. These are the rest slippers. They have actual slides as well. The difference being that these don't have like your foot open in the front. So these are like, I guess meant to be like kind of house or like errand type of like shoes slash slippers. But yeah, pretty dope. Honestly, got this tan and red kind of colorway. Definitely like super cozy. They're kind of made of like a terry cloth material, like a towel material. Pretty soft for the most part. There's a lot of structure in them, which is kind of surprising for a slipper. But here's. Not bad though. Definitely not bad. Got the Skylrk branding in the heel there. This like Skylrk reverberating branding on the bottom here. Got a little Skylrk hit. See if you can see it. You probably can't see it, but there's a little Skylrk tag in there. These are size 12s. I am a size 12. Let's see what these Jones look like on foot. See a little bit. Yeah, here they are on foot. See, I'm a size 12, like I said. Size is spot on. My heel goes right to the back. Not gonna lie, they are a little like, a little stiff, almost. It almost feels like he wants them to be cozy, and it feels like they will break in to be super cozy. I think that they're kind of thick and stiff right now because, you know, their quality, and he wants them to be, have a lot of longevity to them. He doesn't want them to kind of like fall apart or what have you. So that's what I feel. I feel like the more I wear them, the more they'll kind of break in. That's what I'm kind of getting from these right now. Super dope on foot. They kind of look like, like big pills looking at them from this view that I have, but yeah. I'm hyped to see how they break in, like I was saying, because I can't imagine that Justin Bieber would make anything that's not super comfy, especially with the way that he marketed these and like kind of the brand personality that Skylrk has. I'll give another little view real quick, but airport stuff. Super comfy. And then this is the aerial view real quick. This is what you'll be looking like when you wear them. But they look kind of fresh, I'm not gonna lie. Let me kind of bring this joint over here real quick. Yeah, excuse the dirty ass mirror. On fire, bro. These remind me of a cartoon. I don't know what cartoon, but I'll add the visual. Oh, also, if you are into streetwear, this is a Philly Hype video. We at Philly Hype do resale, but we also donate 30% of all profits to Philly-based nonprofits. If that resonates with you, definitely make sure to follow our journey, follow what we're doing, follow on Instagram, TikTok, _Philly Hype, and click subscribe on here. More to come. Appreciate y'all.